Three major topics will be covered in my today's presentation. First of all, recent challenges encountered by metros. Recent challenges may involve operational failure, financial crisis, natural disaster, transmission of pandemics. Berlin southbound entire network was shut down due to the maintenance failure in December 2011. New York City Transit faced a heavy reduction of $143 million in state subsidy 2009. Passengers were wearing masks during the outbreak of SARS in Asian countries. This picture shows one of the Mexico City metros during the outbreak of swine flu. According to the Annual Disaster Statistics Review 2010 by WHO, there were 385 reported natural disasters in 2010. The 311 earthquake and the tsunami hit the East Japan last year, caused heavy damage to roads and the railways. Metro service was disrupted due to the heavy rain in Seoul, Bangkok, and Beijing last year. A typhoon Neri struck Taipei, Taiwan, caused service disruption in Taipei Metro in 2001. Through these two pictures, the 311 earthquake in Japan and the metro personnel in Bangkok preparing for the flood caused the suspension of the operations. These pictures shows a flooded stairway at the subway station in central Beijing last summer. And there was a flood outside of one of the Seoul subway stations. Typhoon Neri struck Taipei in year 2001, caused 16 underground stations completely flooded. It took 3 months to recover the system gradually. So there are 4 phases of emergency management: mitigation, throughout the preparedness, rapid emergency response, and phased recovery. The second topic I would like to talk is about the characteristics of a world-class metro system. In my point of view, a world-class metro may involve 4 criteria. Safety. The system can provide reliable and trustworthy operations. Services. The system provides friendly services, which sometimes may exceed passengers' expectations. The system has the comfortable and humanistic traveling environment. Then execute the total quality management. The last criteria I thought is the sustainability. The system offers acceptable fares. Then it maintains financial profitable and meets the green transport service requirement. The third topics, I would like to talk about some operational practice to implement a world-class services. Taiwan is located in East Asia. It has an area of 36,000 square kilometers with the population of 23 million. According to the World Bank report, Taiwan has the highest digester coverage ratio in the world. We also have most open media in Asia. So this picture shows the current operational network of Taipei Metro. It includes 110 kilometer service length with the 101 stations. This brown line is the driverless CBTC system with the rubber tires. The other lines are MRT systems. Now, the daily ridership has exceeded 1.6 million passengers per day. If combined bus ridership and taxi users, we have the 50.6 public transport shares in the metropolitan Taipei area. Taipei City has faced natural disasters such as typhoons, earthquakes, and floods. Under the pressure of fierce competition among media and the public awareness of human rights, Taipei Metro has a mission to provide a safe, reliable, cordial, and high-quality transportation services. So, from the mission to actions, therefore, 4 items have been considered: safety, friendly services, high quality, and sustainability. I would like to elaborate some of these items. Safety. As far as safety is concerned, installation of the more platform screen doors on operating lines becomes the first priority. We have 49 stations with the platform screen doors, and yet 52 stations without the platform screen doors. So therefore, 15 transport stations and with high traffic volume stations will at the 140 centimeter height before the end of 2014. For those stations without the platform screen doors, we developed the world's first platform area and rail track detection and warning system. The system used the infrared ray to detect the passengers very close to the edge of the platform. Then radar detectors with the laser scanning, which is installed under the platform, can detect falling objects onto the tracks. Once the intrusion is detected, then the system activates tunnel, platform, and searchlight. Camera zooms in. Then we can inform approaching driver to stop the train. This table shows number of successful detections over last 6 years. You can see 29% comes from the persons, and 67% comes from the foreign objects, and 4% are animals. And this detection intrusion system can only cost 1/16 of platform screen doors in each station. Now, I would like to show you an response to emergency situations. This person tried to commit suicide. So when he jumped to a rail, then we have warning system immediately. Then we inform the drivers stop the train before him. Then we avoid this tragedy. It's a real case. Then due to an unexpected withdrawal of the Muza contractor Matra in 1996, and to ensure smooth operations of the system, we were committed to repairing electronic circuit boards by ourselves. Therefore, R&D Center was established in 1996. A total of 19,000 malfunctioning electronic boards has been repaired since from 1996 to 2011. So this center can save tremendous maintenance time and cost. These three pictures show that the center can already establish autonomous checkup and then maintenance electronic circuit board ourselves capabilities. An interactive emergency evacuation center was completed in 2008. This center can educate citizens and the staffs to operate emergency facilities or equipment which cannot be touched or operated during the service hours. It includes 18 STEAM activities. Quite useful, so many students went to this center, then get some good experiences. An important benchmarking of the NOVA and COMET is the system reliability through the indicator of average car kilometers between every 5 minutes or more delay instance. The instance defined including controllable and uncontrollable reasons. The higher of this indicator means the better of the system reliability. Today, I would like to let you know Taipei Metro has been rated the most reliable system among the NOVA and COMET members from 2004 to 2008 for consecutive 5 years. In addition to this, this indicator reached nearly 2.5 million car kilometers per instance last year, which was the best so far. Friendly services. 275 free Wi-Fi access points installed in 101 stations and 3 underground shopping malls. Signal covers concourse and platform levels in stations. However, so far, no Wi-Fi coverage on board trains or inside tunnels. In order to care for disadvantaged groups, more elevators, escalators, or slope pathway are installed in the stations. Also, a voice announcement about which side train will be open started from the 2008. There are 18 breastfeeding rooms available in our system now. This picture shows the outside and the inside of the breastfeeding rooms. In order to monitor the use status of restrooms, using sensor device and the real-time display already become feasible. This display allows users to know which toilet partition is occupied or free to use, which may save passengers time to find a free toilet. Talking about high-quality services, An important action is to provide high-quality services. We already developed a unique metro culture. For example, eating, drinking, and smoking are strictly prohibited in metro stations. People line up orderly during rush hours. Then people yield priority seats to those people who need them. This picture also shows that there is no graffiti or garbage in metro stations or depots because we remove graffiti or garbage immediately once we saw it. Because we don't want to see the phenomena of the broken window theory. There are no homeless people staying overnight within the range of metro right away. So total quality control programs includes to implement ISO quality management system, promote quality circle activity, and implement employee suggestion systems. We received more than 1,100 employee suggestions just for last year. So we can improve our system immediately. So it is really empowered from the bottoms up. So the last item I would like to mention about the sustainability. The fares for single journey tickets of Taipei Metro ranges from the 70 cents to $2.20 US dollars. So for those people who use the ICE card can enjoy 20% of the single journey ticket fare. Then, however, I would like to let you know, our fare structures hasn't been changed since the first line operated in 1996 because political reason, very difficult to change fares. Taipei City government wants to encourage more people to use public transportation through metro bus transport concessions. It means that if the people, EE car users, receive a nearly 50% discount on the metro or bus fare when they transfer from the metro to bus or vice versa within 1 hour. My company pays all these concessions. Say, for example, last year, we paid $35 million US dollars for these concessions. There is a leasing contract between Taipei City Government and the Taipei Railways Corporation, that's my company. We had to pay rental fee. Rental fee include replacement fee that we saw from the 30 years renewal plan. That's primarily for mechanical and electrical equipment, plus 4% of total operating income. This table shows you how much money we pay to the Taipei City government. Just for last year, we paid $103 million US dollars to Taipei City government, okay? Then, after we spend all the personnel costs, rental fees, metro bus concessions, and the utility costs, and all other costs, our system still maintains a show net profit before tax for the last, from the year 2004 to 2011. Since Taipei Metro remains in a profitable condition for many years, so there is no subsidy from any government. My employees and staff can gain extra 4.5 months bonus. So that is to say 16.5 months pay annually in average for last 10 years. So we have accumulated ridership exceeded 5 billion journeys on February this year. It is less than 16 years to achieve this target when we opened the first line in 1996. So our customer satisfaction rate has increased to 95.8% last year, according to the survey of an independent organizations. So let me come to the conclusions. Numerous challenges and obstacles will be faced on the path toward a world-class metro. However, it is upper management responsibility and the challenges to learn the lessons from the past failures so they are not repeated. More visually projects and plans should continuously be proposed and exploited to serve more passengers and meet external demand for high-quality services. This concludes my today's presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.